no power.
Another one back in that corner to the right.
Oh, yep. Nope. No power. Yeah, none of these are gonna have power.
So this room has Romex,
This room's Romex?
but it's obviously off because the air conditioner's off. I had left it on.
Yeah, no power on that outlet, no power to this
Another
switch.
outlet here and another one over here.
Okay. What do you want to call this room, Jamie?
This is my bedroom. Jamie's bedroom?
Yep. 3. Does that one come off of that one?
Yes.
Okay. 3 outlets, switch, light, no power.
I can't remember if there's an outlet here. I don't think there is. Nope.
Nope, okay. No power.
So there is a light switch here that goes to this closet. It's not on.
What's this room?
Mom's room.
Mom's room, okay. You got mom's room on there? All right, outlets, no power. Closet light, no power.
This we call the in-between room. There is a light switch. Oh, full. I've already. You saw the dumpster out there. I'm guessing.
Yeah, that one's got nothing.
Got another one coming soon.
You got this room, Logan?
In between room?
Yep. No outlet and no light.
Okay.
And
This
switch.
we call the study. This I think there's only one outlet and it's back there behind those boxes. But that strip is plugged
Yeah.
into it.
Nothing.
Oh, and there's a light switch in this closet. And that